Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, you can see many lipsticks and lip products, lip care products, and also have the many ideas about lipsticks and lip gloss and other lip care products. If you want to have any lip product, then this video is become very helpful for you. From this video you can pick all the ideas about lipstick and lip care products with their shade and number also. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you. In this video, I will tell you about taking care of your lips is very essential for maintaining their health and preventing drynesses, chapping and discomfort. Here are some common lip care products that can help keep your lips soft, moisturized and protected. Many more lip care products are very helpful for you. With apply these products, please remember regular applications of the lip care products and maintaining the good hydration by drinking enough water are key to keeping your lips healthy and supple. In this video, you can see many lip care products and lipsticks with their shades and numbers. Along with these products, some lip care products are also here. For example, lip balm, lip moisturizers, lip scrub, lip masks and lip sunscreen. Lip oils are very important to maintain your lips healthy and charming. Lip balm is a must-have product for lip care. Look for a lip balm that contains ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter or coconut oil as they help to moisturize and nourish your lips. Apply the lip balm throughout the day, especially before going outside or to bed. Along with this lip balm, lip moisturizer are very important. Lip moisturizer are similar to lip balm but often have additional hydrating ingredients. And lip scrub is very important. Lip scrubs help exfoliate the dead skin cells from your lips, leaving them smooth and softer. You can either purchase a lip scrub or make one at home using the sugar or a gentle exfoliating. These are all about lips and lip products. Thank you.